Hi guys, welcome to another video. Now guys, it is summer and it is very hot, so you know what time it is. There's no better time for a staycation in Jamaica, and we're at Cocoa Palm in Negril, just enjoying this quiet ambience. So guys, stay tuned. So guys, this is the entrance from the parking lot. So we're heading to our rooms right now, and I think my room is on the ground floor because this time of year this hotel is very booked out, so it was hard to get a room with a view. Now guys, the staff at this hotel are very nice and very welcoming, so whenever you're going for a vacation, this is a nice hotel to stop at, guys. So girl get settled in her room and thing and just head to the bar to have a drink. So this is the view from the bar on the beach side. So you can see the sea and all of them something there, and some seating areas and thing. So after all the events in the day, we get hungry now. So we decide so we're going down to the seaside to have dinner. So we're just sitting down, having the appetizers and waiting for our main course meal. So while waiting for the food now, there's some live entertainment of this guy with fire in him mouth and something. So we just go on and watch this man put fire in him mouth like say it can't burn him or anything like that. Guys, do not try this at home. I repeat, do not try this at home. This is very dangerous. I don't know how he's doing all that, yo. So food come, ready to eat now. Tenderloin steak with some mashed potatoes and vegetable. This is like my favorite food.